right-click cell B10. Cell B10 has a small green alert triangle in the upper left corner of the cell. If you click the cell, a trace error button appears and Excel displays a message alerting you that the formula is unprotected because the cell is unlocked. When you right-click the cell, a shortcut menu opens and the mini toolbar appears. On the shortcut menu, click Format Cell. The Format Cells dialog box opens with the Number tab active by default. Click the Protection tab. Excel provides options for locking and unlocking cells on this tab. The Locked checkbox is unchecked. Cell B10 is currently unlocked. Click the Locked checkbox. Excel locks the cell. Once worksheet or workbook protection is enabled, users will not be able to make changes to the cell contents. Click. The Format Cells dialog box closes. Because the cell is now locked, the small green alert triangle, the trace error button, and the alert message are no longer linked to the cell.